All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here on a Tuesday evening, and I got a strap here that I ordered in the mail. To be honest with you guys anymore, I don't order a whole lot of straps. I get a lot of offers from companies to check out straps on the channels, and in the last probably 4 to 6 months, I've kind of become either a bracelet or a factory rubber strap guy. I don't know what it is. Have used some aftermarket rubber straps, but I've kind of steered away from NATOs and other kind of non-rubber or metal bracelets. But one of the ones that's been really curious to me, I've watched these guys on Instagram grow, and they're doing a really good job. I think it's a cool company. It's an American-made company. Right there, you guys can say hashtag America right there in the package. That came actually with the strap, which I thought was pretty cool. So this is the Watch Steward. And if you guys aren't familiar, check them out on Instagram. I'll leave a link down below to the website as well as their Instagram feed. But it's what you'd consider, I think I'm right, an RAF style strap. I've never tried these before, so I kind of wanted to pick one up. I wanted to get a video up of them. They didn't send me this watch band or anything. I just reached out, bought one, got it sent to me here at my house, and I wanted to check it out. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the, I got the Orient Triton out here. This is a 22 millimeter strap. Now, right now, I know that the Watch Steward is offering these straps, and I think in 22 and 19 millimeter, which seems a little strange, but I do think he was actually going off some of the older Seiko divers when he created these straps, like the 6105s and stuff. I think a lot of those had some odd strap sizes in the 19 millimeter range. So I ordered the 22 millimeter because I knew that would fit on the Orient Triton. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is exactly the way it came, except for it was in a cardboard packaging. So there was no instructions or anything like that. And I will tell you that I had to go to the website and had to watch the video. They're on the website like, I got old eyes, guys, and it's a tiny video, so I had to watch it like 15 times to figure out how to get this strap the right way on my watch. I made some assumptions when I got the strap, and I put it on the way I assumed it was going to go. And, the assuming is the mother of all F-ups, and if you do that, you're probably going to do it wrong, and I really did it wrong a number of times. And so if you pick one of these up and they're not including instructions, definitely go to the website and check it out. But they do got that right there, hashtag America flag right there. I thought that was cool. Included in there, so you can iron that onto your denim jacket and sing "You're Born in the USA," Bruce Springsteen style. So pretty cool. So here's the strap, and this is an elastic style strap, as the RAF style straps are. You guys can see it's got stretch to it. It has a hook system. It has the Watch Steward emblazoned there on the, I guess it'd be the hook end of the clasp and stuff. But I've got my watch down here kind of all ready to go. So let's just see if I can get this done on camera without making a complete fool of myself. So I've already taken the watch pins out. Thank goodness that the Orient Triton has these drilled lugs, so it really makes it easy to get that out. So you're going to want to get your pins back in your watch once you've taken it off. And I'll show you how I have this on here once I get it on. Come on, Dunlap. All right, so here we go. So as you guys can see, I've got this small clasp in down here. You've got your adjustment buckle here, and you've got your hook end here. So if you hold it out, it's going to look something like this before you put it on. So let me go ahead and set it down for a second. I need to take off the watch that I got on the wrist here. I've been wearing this since I got it. It's that West End watch company from the Watch Gang Platinum subscription. It's been a really cool watch. I really like it. There's enough unique features on it apart from a sub homage. And I'll talk about that when I get into the full review of the watch. But okay, so let me show you how this works. So the idea is to not have a strap underneath your watch. And you guys are like, well, how are you going to do that? Because you already got the strap on your watch. But here it is. So you're going to pull this down as such. And now, guys, I'm blessed with this big meaty hand and a small 7-inch wrist, like a boxer or something like that. But so I have to go and I kind of really have to shove my hand through there to get that to work. And then you're going to reach around. That's what she said, like this. Excuse me, with the buckle, and you're going to hook it into the clasp as such. So then it's right there. It's very simple, and these are really a clean and nice Nice band to wear. It's different. I've never tried these RAF style straps like this, but it was something I wanted to try. And to be honest with you, I'm very satisfied with it. I think it's comfortable. Now you guys will have to figure out the adjustment here where it's going to actually work for you. You know, you'll need to move that around to get it to fit. And like I said, I got a big hand and a smaller wrist, so I kind of have to get it to where I stretch the watch through there. I even have the same issue, to be honest with you, with bracelets. Once I adjust them to what'll fit my wrist, it's really hard to get my hand through there. So it's nothing wrong with what they've done with the watch strap here for the Watch Steward. But I think it's a great looking product. I think it's done well, and it's made right here in the good old USA, guys. So definitely check them out. I'll leave a link down below to the website, and you guys can pick one of these up. Good job, Watch Steward. I think it's neat, too. He's included his kids at the website. This color. They've got a few different color options available. This is the steel, and it's funny, on the website, they have that spelled S-T-E-A-L, like you're stealing something. And his 11-year-old son developed the website, which I thought was great. And when he said, I want it to say steel, S-T-E-E-L, his son, I think, put it down as S-T-E-A-L, probably a spell check thing. And it just stayed that way. So I thought it was kind of fun. Good job over there at the Watch Steward. I like your strap. So, all right, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. All right, thanks, guys.